Remote-controlled, RC, cars have captivated enthusiasts of all ages for decades, offering a thrilling blend of technology and recreation. From the sleek and speedy to the rugged and off-road ready, the world of RC cars offers an exhilarating array of options. In this ever-evolving landscape of remote-controlled vehicles, finding the best RC cars can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. Whether you're a novice seeking your first taste of RC excitement or a seasoned hobbyist looking for the latest advancements, this guide will delve into some of the top RC cars available, each offering unique features and performance to cater to various preferences and skill levels. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best RC cars available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the RC cars list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the RC cars mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. RC Cars 4WD Alloy Climbing Car, introducing the 2023 newest 1/24th 2.4G RC car, a marvel of cutting-edge technology and high-quality design. This 4WD alloy climbing car is not just a toy, it's a thrilling adventure waiting to be explored. Equipped with striking LED lights, including fog lights, double flashing lights, turn lights, and reversing lights, this RC car ensures an electrifying visual experience. With a remote distance of about 50 meters, you can take on various terrains with ease. It boasts a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and a charging time of 63 minutes, ensuring ample fun on every charge. The CE certification guarantees safety and quality, while the 30-day warranty offers peace of mind. This 1/24 scale model, by the trusted brand Toys, is suitable for ages 14 and above and is a must-have for RC enthusiasts. Explore the world of RC adventure with the 2023 newest 1/24th 2.4G RC car. Number 4. Off-road remote control car trucks. Get ready for adrenaline-pumping action with the RC car Drift 118 high-speed radio control off-road truck. This 1/18 scale model by Kanusia is a thrilling addition to your collection, perfect for both children and kids at heart. With its off-road capabilities, it conquers any terrain with ease, offering an exhilarating top speed of 15 km per hour. Equipped with a 3.7V electric power source, this car ensures an action-packed flight time of about 15 minutes. The remote control provides a range of approximately 40 meters, granting you the freedom to explore. With a CE certificate and a 30-day warranty, safety and satisfaction are guaranteed. This RC car is an ideal gift for youngsters, providing hours of entertainment and excitement. Number 3. RC Car 5G Wi-Fi Long Range Car. Elevate your RC experience with the RC Car 5G Wi-Fi Long Range Real-Time Voice Chatting Drift Car. This high-performance electric car is not just for kids, it's designed with adults in mind, making it an ideal Christmas gift. With a 1080p camera, you can enjoy thrilling FPV, first-person view, action and capture your adventures. The 1/16 scale model boasts a 20-minute flight time and a remote distance of 70 to 80 meters, providing extended exploration opportunities. Equipped with real-time voice chatting capabilities and a radio speaker, this RC car adds a new dimension to your adventures. The CE-certified CMOIST RC car offers quality and safety, ensuring a memorable and exciting experience for ages 6 and up. Get ready to drift, chat, and capture moments like never before with this feature-packed RC car. Number 2. Electric off-road drift RC cars. Experience the thrill of high-speed off-road drifting with the WIFI K989 upgraded 284131128 RC car. This electric wonder combines speed and precision in a compact 1/28 scale model. With a powerful brushed motor and a robust metal chassis, it can reach speeds of up to 30 km per hour, making it a true speed demon. The inclusion of LED lights adds to the excitement, ensuring you can enjoy your adventures day and night. The 7.4V battery provides a 20-minute flight time, and with a remote distance of about 100 meters, you have plenty of room to explore. The CE certification and 30-day warranty guarantee quality and safety. Suitable for ages 14 and up, this WIFI RC car from mainland China promises high-speed excitement, making it a must-have for any RC enthusiast. Number 1. Snow Racing Drift Cars Toys for Boys. Unleash the ultimate off-road adventure with the RC Car Off-Road 4x4, a high-speed, brushless motor monster truck designed for thrill seekers and racing enthusiasts. This 1/16 scale model by Diane is an adrenaline-pumping marvel, capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 km per hour or an astonishing 75 km per hour, making it perfect for desert, snow, and drift racing. Its robust construction and RC390 power system ensure exceptional performance, while the 7.4V 1300 mAh battery offers a generous 15 to 18 minutes of non-stop action. With a remote distance of 80 to 120 meters and precise control, you can conquer various terrains with ease. The CE certification guarantees safety and quality, and it's suitable for ages 14 and above. Get ready for the ultimate RC experience with the RC Car Off-Road 4x4. In the world of RC cars, the options are as diverse as the enthusiasts who drive them. From high-speed racers to rugged off-roaders, there's an RC car for everyone. The best RC cars offer a blend of cutting-edge technology, performance, and safety, catering to various age groups and skill levels. Whether it's for thrilling adventures or competitive racing, the world of RC cars continues to captivate, providing endless fun for all.